Hello, I am Mobilant Ian. With the highest battery density, using a hexagonal battery holder, let's find out how to make a custom battery pack. He used Dremel to expand the inner space first. The design is so cool. Use a keyring pen. Serial 3 parallel 48 volts battery pack. Assemble the hexagonal battery cell holder to fit the size of the casing. It's a block shape, so you can freely shape it. 13 serial 3 parallel battery pack. On a trial basis, insert only a few batteries. Verify the installation location. They also check the BMS installation space. Conduct a voltage test on 18,650 batteries one by one for battery manufacturing. Do not use batteries with voltages higher or lower than average. Protect the positive electrode with insulating paper. Please make 13 series by configuring 3 batteries in parallel. Battery array is complete. Cut the nickel sheet as necessary. Weld the nickel sheet using a spot welder. Insulate the area around the weld for safety. This is because the nickel can be dropped during the operation. Make a scratch where you want to solder. The lead sticks very tightly to the desired position. Bridge location is good. Temporarily secure the balance connector to the battery. Connect the side of odd number battery. Protect the nickel sheet by attaching the capstone tape. Connect the balance cable to the side B location in the same way. Connect the side B even number battery. Check the voltage with the tester. There's a way to use a multi-tester. Battery balance connector tester is recommended. Output is about 3.65 volts up to 13. Everything is connected normally. An examination is required at the end. Installing and attaching BMS. C- charge input wire connection. P- power output wire connection. Battery pack P-. Battery pack negative connects to the electrode. Battery pack B-. BMS connection wiring diagram. Battery pack positive plus electrode tab. Connect to the XD60 terminal. The charge C-, discharge P-, connects to each XD60 connector. Finally, connect the BMS connector. Verify that the electrode and voltage are output normally. PVC heat shrink tube. PVA sheet. Filament adhesive tape. Install the completed battery pack. The video bulletin board contains the product address required for production. Clicking like and subscribe is a great help in producing broadcasts. Thanks for watching.